Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize vocabulary with Duolingo, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Duolingo app from your device's app store. Create an account if you don't already have one. Select the language you want to learn. Begin with the placement test to assess your current level of vocabulary. Once you have your level, start with the basics. Focus on daily practice to build consistency in your learning. Utilize the app's spaced repetition feature to reinforce vocabulary. Engage with various exercise types, including matching words and translating sentences. Make use of the speaking exercises to improve pronunciation. Incorporate the listening exercises to enhance comprehension skills. Join the Duolingo community forums to learn tips from other users. Track your progress to stay motivated and see your improvement. Set specific language goals to create a clear learning path. Challenge yourself with advanced skills once you feel comfortable with the basics. Use the flashcard feature to review difficult words regularly. Incorporate Duolingo stories if available in your language for contextual learning. Experiment with Duolingo podcasts to enhance listening and comprehension skills. Consider using the Duolingo desktop version for a different learning experience. Diversify your study routine by integrating additional resources alongside Duolingo. Engage in conversation practice with native speakers using language exchange apps. Finally, always revisit and review previous lessons to solidify your vocabulary knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.